Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you on how you can disable Microsoft Family features on Windows 11. Go ahead and open your Task Manager on your computer by clicking the search icon below, then type Task Manager. Now open the app. Then go over to the services. Next, navigate in here. If it is running, simply right-click on it, then choose Stop. After that, right-click on it again, then choose Open Services. Now in the pop-up window, navigate to Parental Controls, then right-click on it, select Properties in the pop-up. Beside the startup type, change it, then select Disabled, and click the Apply button to save the changes, and OK. Now by disabling, it will also disable the Microsoft Family features.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.